My little car is the fastest car in the world! Let's see if your little car can beat mine. Ready, set, go! I'm right behind you! Whoa! I can't stop! Oh no! My car! My favorite car! I'm really sorry. Papa, can you fix it?
I can fix it, but I have a better idea.
What are we gonna build?
Something nobody has ever seen before. We're building a giant wooden rescue truck.
Really? Can I help too?
Of course.
It's getting bigger.
Hold it steady.
Those wheels are huge.
They're perfect for this truck. Turn the wrench.
Like this? Red and yellow. And blue on top. What's that arm for?
For rescuing people.
Papa!
What's happening? Someone needs help. Everyone ready?
Ready! This truck is fast!
We have to hurry. We have to hurry.
Papa! They're trapped!
Let's get them out.
Yeah!
Cam and Tring.
Come slowly! You're safe now. Come slowly. You're safe now.
The bridge won't hold.
Can we rebuild it?
Rescue crane, activate!
It's working! Pull it, Papa!
Hold tight!
Come slowly! You're safe now.
The bridge won't hold.
Can we rebuild it?
Guide it left.
A little more. We fixed it! Our truck really works! Thank you for saving us! You're welcome.
You both did a great job.
We worked together. My little car started all this.
Every great invention starts with a small idea.
I like that. Can we drive it home?
Absolutely.
What an amazing day! Best adventure ever!
Hello, Kamsi.
Yeah! Wow! We really built this together.
Never give up when something breaks.
Use your imagination. Thanks for joining our adventure. Please like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Come on, catch me. I'm coming. We're almost there. Race you to the top. What's that? I've never seen it before. Baby dog, look! Something's waking up. Run! Go, go! There's a factory underground. How is that possible? That machine is alive! Look at the cars! They're turning into monsters! We have to get out! They're following us! Drive faster!
Every machine belongs to me!
We have to warn the city! They're coming! Don't slow down! Don't slow down! The city is in danger! We need Papa! Almost home! Keep going! Papa! Zombie cars are attacking!
What?
They're coming from Iron Mountain!
Then we must act fast.
What's behind there?
Our last defense.
Whoa! Those are huge!
Meet the Mountain Guardians.
They're incredible!
Power them up.
Yay! Let's go! They're so fast!
Stay focused. Stop right there!
Whoa! They're surrounding him!
The Guardians can handle it.
Clear the road!
Go, Blue!
You're safe now.
Thank you!
Destroy the Guardians!
There's too many! They're coming back!
Something is repairing them.
Papa, look!
What did you find?
The factory controls them!
That's their power source. Blue, distract the Titan. Red, attack the reactor. Guardians, move! Let's finish this!
You can't stop me! Try me!
He's pulling everything in!
Ugh, stay away from the metal! Target secured!
He's trapped!
Nothing can hold me!
We'll see!
Red Guardian, now!
Turbo power activated!
Reactor reactor locked. Fire!
Wow, look at that thing go! Target... They're finally stopped.
The city is safe.
We did it together. Teamwork really is powerful.
And true heroes never give up.